Hi, recently I made a decision to learn about AI agents, like what they are, how they work and how to build them. And just to be clear, I don't have any background in AI, I don't have coding knowledge, nothing. Whenever something feels complicated, I just ask ChatGPT. That's all about it. But then I had this thought, what if I actually document this journey from the very beginning? What if I share everything I learn and everything I build through simple, honest videos? I was like, even if 1% of the people watching find it useful, then it was totally worth doing. So here I am. Whatever I learn, I'll try to make videos on those topics in the simplest way possible. And since I'm new to all of this, I might not follow the correct format or I might make mistakes along the way. So if you find anything that's off, feel free to comment and correct me. I don't really know where this journey will lead me, but I'm genuinely excited to get started. Because to me, even if I fail, it's still better than not trying at all. I believe it's always better to start, learn something, fail, and keep going until you get it. And that's really what this channel is about. Not doing things perfectly, but showing up and figuring out things together. So let's learn together and grow together. We'll share the wins, mistakes and everything in between. So stick with me. And one more thing, this is actually my first time making videos in English. Until now I have only made videos in my mother tongue Telugu. Even I had a thought of doing these videos in Telugu as well, but to keep it open for a wider audience, I want to try it in English. And I know my Telugu audience will support me once they come across to this channel, so I'm not worried about it. Also, it's not just about AI. If I come across something interesting, useful or important, I'll try to make videos on that too. Okay, now you might have a question. Why I have to follow this channel? Because as I'm starting from scratch, and if you are the one who is looking to start something new or if you want to learn something new, then this journey might be helpful for you. That's it. So if I missed anything today, I'll try to talk about it in our future videos. Wish me luck and I wish you the best of luck on whatever you are starting. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in day one of the journey. Bye.